everyone, Charlene here for Whimsy Stamps. I have a new product reveal for you, the BooBoo Manflu 4x6 clear stamp set. Now this set contains 2 character stamps, 1 large sentiment stamp, and 8 small sentiment stamps. The character stamps are approximately 2 by 2.75 inches and 2 by 2.25 inches. The large sentiment stamp is approximately 2 by 2.25 inches as well. These character stamps are so fun. I love the giant thumb with the big boo-boo bandage, as well as the man in his bathrobe. He looks like he is not feeling very well at all. Well, I went ahead and I made a card. I did go ahead and incorporate a few items from the new Slimline BooBoo die set as well. And you can see I stamped a large sentiment there inside of the card. I colored the robe as well as his pajamas in some lovely pink colors because I thought that was fun and fitting. The large band-aid as well as the smaller band-aids come from that die set there, and the sentiment strip comes from the Quick Strips die cut set. All right, guys, I hope you'll join me over in the Whimsy Stamps Facebook inspiration group. You also can follow Whimsy Stamps on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Until next time, happy crafting!